Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I did my extra jumbo knotless braids. So I used the expression braids, and the color that I use is the T1B plum purple, and this is a 50-inch long pre-stretched canicolon braid. I also use a Let's Jam extra hold as well as some rubber bands to hold my hair into place, and I went in with my white tooth comb and my rat tail comb to part my hair out. So right here I'm just like pre-parting my hair into sections. I wanted 10 jumbo braids, so I parted my hair into 10 sections. Right here I am basting my hair with the Let's Jam to help me neaten up my parts some more. And right here I'm just showing you guys like my parting pattern, how I pre-section my hair out. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I install the braid. I went ahead and detangled my hair, and then I go in with the Let's Jam to the base of my hair and I smooth that in just to help with like flyaways and so on. And then I go in with my rubber band, and these rubber bands were drenched in oil before I applied them into my hair so that my hair doesn't break unnecessarily. So this is what the hair looks like out of the packaging. As you guys can see, it has like a little ombre to it, a 1B up top and then purple towards the end, and I took about that much. So I went ahead and I pushed the latch from the back of my head to the front of my head. I twisted the part of the braid and then I attach it to my hook, pull it through, and I pull that under the rubber band. Next, I'm going to take another part of the braid. I am going to push the crochet tool towards the top of my head this time, going across. And then I attach the braid and I pull that under the rubber band. So it's like you're creating a T with the direction of the crochet tool to pull the hair under your hair so that you can have your 3 sections when you're ready to braid. Now I'm going to smooth my hair in with the Let's Jam, and before I start braiding I'm going to go ahead and take out some more braids so that I can feed in, because I wanted my hair to be jumbo, like extra jumbo, and also I wanted it to be longer than the 50 inches I was. It would have stopped at my waist, but I want it like going down to my butt, so that's why I added in some more braids. So now I'm going to begin braiding. I tucked my hair between the 2 braids that's on top of it, and then I start braiding down. If you want to count, you would say 1, 2, about 2 parts down. And then I started adding in my braid. So you guys have to watch here. It's kind of hard to explain, but I do ensure to add the extension under the braid that I am doing. And then I continue to braid, stop, and then I add in one more piece. So I'm showing you guys how I am doing that. I grab one end between my hand that's holding my braid and the other loose end between the other hair that's on the end right there. I'm going to show you guys that one more time. And once that is attached, I continue braiding down. So towards the top, I do the feeding method and I added in 4 braids. So I add in, I braid down. Once I have the hair gripped in my left hand, I add in once more, braid down, and so on. So once my fourth piece is added in, I braid down until I reach my chest. And right here you can see me measuring. Once it reaches my chest right there, I add in some more here, and this is just for the purpose of like lengthening the braid, because towards the end the hair will become like fine. It will be smaller than the top. When you add in towards the bottom, it will keep that same level of thickness, and also it does add to the length of your hair. So that's just a pointer right there. Towards the end, I only added in 2 extensions to lengthen that hair. And also, if I do realize that the hair is tangling, I use my white tooth comb to detangle the hair, and then I continue braiding. Again, I did do 10 braids in my hair, and this hairstyle took me about 2.5 hours to do. So I'm just showing you guys a close-up of what it looks like with the knotless method using the rubber band. Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I install the hair one more time. This is for my visual learners, the persons who don't want to hear the talking, but you know, they look and they learn. So I'm just going to let the music play right here. Okay, so this is how long the hair is, guys, so far. That's what it's looking like so far. It's not trimmed up or anything. Right here I'm just trimming up the hair, and once I trim it up, I do dip my hair in hot water, but I didn't show that on camera today. And when I am finished with dipping my hair in hot water, I apply mousse to my hair so that I can help with the frizzies and the flyaways, and so that my hair can lay smooth. I also added a Lotta body. This is like a mist. It's a moisturizing sheen mist. I will be putting the name of that down below for you guys so you can check it out. So I added that to my hair, and I'm just going to go in and smooth my edges as usual. I'm using the Eco Gel, and this is in argan oil. This is the one that I love. It is the thickest to me, and I will forever like this one. I have no problems with this one. So I use that to smooth my hair and put my hair in the direction that I want it to go in. I use my edge brush to kind of like brush the base of my braids as well with the gel so that it can like lay flat. And then I'll go in with my Got to Be Glued spray to set my hair. Once my hair kind of like dries down a little bit, I go in with my handkerchief and then I tie that down for a couple of minutes. And once I took down my handkerchief, guys, this is what my hair is looking like. Really like how neat it is. This is how long the hair is. It is a little bit past my butt as intended. And I'm just going to give you guys like a little close up of what my parts is looking like and how it looks knotless, like it's coming out of my scalp, guys. Like seriously. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.